Want to update your password and keep your Facebook account secure using your iPhone? Here is a quick step-by-step guide to changing your password. First, open Facebook. Tap on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Tap See More in Account Center for further process. Tap on Password and Security. Select Change Password. Choose your Facebook account. Type in your current password. Enter your new secure password twice, and tap Change Password to proceed. The confirmation code will be sent to you through the verified email. After receiving the confirmation code, you can complete the security verification by entering your confirmation code and optionally set up a passkey for faster logins. And you are all set. You will get a pop-up message after successfully changing the password. And that's how you change your password on Facebook using your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.